Customer. Hello, can I have a coffee, please? Barista. Hello, can I have a coffee, please? Barista. Sure. What size would you like? Sure. What size would you like? Customer. A medium latte, please. Barista. A medium latte, please. Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? To go, please. Thank you. Barista. To go, please. Thank you. Do you want any sugar? Do you want any sugar? No sugar, thank you. No sugar, thank you. Would you like a pastry with that? Would you like a pastry with that? Yes, I want a chocolate muffin. Yes, I want a chocolate muffin. Is that everything for today? Is that everything for today? Yes, that is all. Yes, that is all. Your total is $5. Your total is $5. Customer. Can I pay with cash? Barista. Can I pay with cash? Barista. Yes, cash is fine. Customer. Yes, cash is fine. Customer. Here is $10. Barista. Here is $10.